Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a file converter app. First, open the application on your device. Next, you'll select the file you wish to convert from your storage. Then, simply choose the new format you need from the available options. Finally, tap the Convert button, and the app will quickly process your file, making it ready for use in its new format. File converter apps offer incredible versatility, allowing you to transform many file types, from important documents to cherished images. You'll appreciate the speed, with many conversions completing in under 15 seconds. This efficiency saves you valuable time. Plus, once converted, sharing your files across different platforms or with colleagues becomes incredibly simple and seamless. For the best results, always ensure you have a stable internet connection, especially when using online converter tools. Large files might take a bit longer, so be patient. It's also a good practice to double-check your selected output format before hitting convert. This helps avoid any reconversions and ensures your file is exactly how you need it. Many converter apps offer advanced features like batch conversion, letting you process several files at once, saving even more time. You can also often adjust quality settings for images or videos, giving you more control over the final output. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home with smart technology and enjoy your newly converted files with crystal clear audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.